Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to edit text in Canva. Editing text in Canva design is quick and easy. Launch open the Canva application and log into your account and open up one of your designs. You can also tap on the plus button at the bottom and then select a template or a custom size option. You can also go ahead and create a new design by tapping on the plus button at the bottom and then select a template at the top, example social media, post or presentations, etc. After choosing one of the designs or creating a new design, make sure that there's already a text in the design. If not, you can also add a text first, and if you want to edit the text, simply select the text layer from the design. Now there will be a couple of editing options available at the bottom. If you want to change the text content, simply select the text layer and erase it with the help of the backspace button on your mobile device. Now type down a new text and you can enter a new text. Now you can edit the text by using the font options available at the bottom. Select a different fonts by choosing the font options, and after you find the one that suits your need, you will then also be able to adjust the font. Now, you can change the size of the font by selecting the font size option while selecting the text layer. Drag the little slider to increase or decrease your font size within your design. If you want to change the text color, simply go to the color tab at the bottom and then choose your color palette from the coloring option. Now once you are done editing the text, you can further adjust the text alignment and spacing. Go to the bottom of the screen while selecting your text layer and tap on spacing. Drag the little slider to give your letter space, to space your letters, and then you can also go ahead and use the line spacing option. Increase or decrease the slider to adjust the alignment and line spacing and letter spacing using the options in the toolbar. For additional text editing, you can also use other options such as the font, text style, format, effects, animate, and much more. Once you're happy with your design, you can go ahead and drag it along the screen and place it on your desired location. You can also make further changes if you're not satisfied with the result. And finally, once you are done customizing your text, you can tap on the little download button at the top right and save your image or your design onto your device's camera roll. That is how you can easily edit your text in Canva. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks.